Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing how to build a porch swing. I love sitting on the front porch and watching my son play in the yard, but it's not a very comfortable place to sit. So today I'm sharing how I created an outdoor porch swing with an unexpected but inexpensive cushion that made this a budget-friendly outdoor project. Using my cut list on the House One channel of thisoldhouse.com, cut the boards to size to create the 2x6 base and 2x4 frame. Prep the boards with pocket holes noted in the cut list for a strong and sturdy assembly. Lay out the pieces of the base, positioning the 2x6 ends flat between the front and back boards, and then add the 2x4 support pieces. Apply glue at each joint and secure the boards using a drill driver and 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. I'm also using a scrap block as a spacer. Next, attach the front rail between the armrest supports using glue and pocket hole screws. Set this section aside. Next, attach the back rail between the vertical ends of the backrest. Now position the side rails between the front and back and secure them in place flush with the outside edges. Add the center support between the backrest uprights, and then cap off the back with a horizontal board placed on top of the uprights. Now position the armrest in place flush with the front edge of the upright using a block to steady the opposite end of the board. To connect the armrest, drive screws through the uprights and into the underside of the board. My drill had a little bit of trouble fitting into this tight space, so I ended up disconnecting the side rail to make room and then reattaching it. But I think I would attach the armrest to the vertical support before attaching the side rails next time. Finish by driving screws through the end of the armrest and into the backrest's vertical boards. Attach another board on edge under the armrest to provide further support. Driving screws through its ends and through its side edge and into the underside of the armrest. Now place the assembled bench onto the base, 1 inch inside each edge. Lift the bench to apply glue, and then drive screws through the exposed pocket holes in each armrest support, and both pocket holes in the back uprights. Flip the assembly up and drive 2.5-inch deck screws through the base and into the perimeter of the bench every 6 to 8 inches. It's now time to add the cushion to the swing, but an outdoor cushion of this length and this thickness can be very expensive. So today I'm going to be repurposing a crib mattress. Now, a crib mattress has a plastic coating that makes it waterproof, so it's perfect for my covered porch, and I can easily cover it in a fitted sheet that's easy to take off and wash and put back on. Apply paint or stain as desired and let dry. Lastly, drill holes through the side rails to secure the eye bolt screws that will hold the rope. It's now time to hang the swing. For detailed information about this process, check out the video linked below featuring This Old House general contractor Tom Silva. Similar to the video, our porch ceiling has beadboard panels, so we removed several panels to locate and reinforce our ceiling joists. We reinstalled the panels, drilled holes for the swing hardware, and then secured the hardware in place with the provided lag bolts. With the ceiling reinstalled, prop the swing to the desired height. Thread the rope through the swing hardware, down through one eye bolt on each side, and secure it with a knot. And then down through the remaining eye bolt. Finish with another knot before removing the supports below the swing and trimming the rope to length. Now all I have to do is add a few outdoor throw pillows, and this space finally feels like the warm and inviting extension of our home I had always envisioned. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more easy home and woodworking projects, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.